I've been waiting to make this release since mid-May when my best friend Cliff Carletti passed away on May 18th. And I knew I needed to do something to benefit the American Cancer Society in his name. So I developed this soap in conjunction with Ginger's Gardens, Irina Marshu out of California will be making and distributing this soap and aftershave. $5 from the sale of every single item that you purchase with the Peaceful Shaver on it will go directly to the American Cancer Society in the name of my late friend Cliff Carletti. Please, please buy if you can. If you can't, please like and share. Let everyone know. This stuff smells amazing. I'm pumped. First of all, it says 5 ounces here on the container, but she loads this puppy up right here. First of all, you can open it this way, you can open it this way, okay? It smells incredible. It's very tobacco flower and rose forward with a little cannabis and lavender in the background. Each of those notes means something special to me. But the most special part is that the American Cancer Society will be benefiting, and I will put the link in the description of this video. Please click on buy, like, share, and shave. I want to thank Michael Whitehead for the artwork, my niece Callie Martin for helping me with my logo, and to Irina Marshu for creating this soap. Guys, thank you so much. This project means the world to me. Peaceful Shaver out.